Hey everyone, I'm Leo and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today I'm super excited to dive into the Instant Pot Omni Plus air fryer toaster oven, a kitchen powerhouse that's ready to transform your cooking game. If you're looking for a versatile appliance to make meals quick and delicious, stick around. Let's break down the features. The Instant Pot Omni Plus is a 10-in-1 wonder with air fry, bake, broil, roast, toast, dehydrate, reheat, warm convection, and rotisserie functions. It's got an 18-liter capacity, big enough for a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast. The EvenCrisp technology circulates hot air for crispy results with up to 95% less oil than deep frying. The rotisserie spit can handle a 4 to 6 pound chicken, and it comes with a baking tray, oven rack, air fry basket, and rotisserie kit, all dishwasher safe. Golden quartz heating elements ensure fast, even cooking, and the touchscreen with one-touch presets makes it super easy to use. You can even download the Instant Pot app for recipes and tips. Now, the pros and cons. The pros are awesome. The 10 cooking modes make it incredibly versatile, from crispy fries to juicy rotisserie chicken. It heats up fast, saving time and energy, and the large capacity is great for families. The touchscreen is user-friendly, and cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe accessories. On the downside, it's a bit bulky, so you'll need decent counter space. Some users say the toast function can be uneven, requiring multiple cycles for perfect browning. Also, it runs a tad hot, so you might need to adjust cooking times or temperatures slightly. Who's this for? If you want a multi-function appliance to replace your toaster, air fryer, and oven, the Instant Pot Omni Plus is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for busy families or anyone who loves experimenting with recipes without cluttering the kitchen. Ready to cook smarter? Click the link in the description to grab the Instant Pot Omni Plus air fryer toaster oven at the best price through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional pricing you don't want to miss. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.